That's it. We're done. You can see the roof has been repaired. Got a new smaller door. And over here we got a new window. Twice as big as the last one. That's also new. But the changes are mostly on the inside. Got new lights. They painted the cabinets white, just the way they were. Every single last one of them. Feels like a new house. Mostly because it's empty. Oh, yeah, still have some wine. I don't know why I haven't finished that yet. It just feels so weird being here like this. Here we are, the living room. This is the same. Looks ugly, but we'll live with it. And that is currently my office. I was thinking of putting a stripper pole there, but I don't know, maybe. Probably need to. Okay. This needed to be fixed a long time ago, but it hasn't. New paint, new paint. New paint. Still green. Probably the only green part of the house, other than the other bathroom. Yep. This room is white, always has been white, and it's the only one with an actual air conditioner. Still old, but oh well. This house was built like in 58, something like that. Connected the internet, they disconnected it from me. I connected it again. It finally works. Last week it didn't. Those were white and I wanted them white, but they're red now. Huh. Oh well. Oh, I didn't mention the paint of the closets. You can see just a little bit right here. Right there. Yep, they were ugly. They were nasty. They've been repainted, which is a good thing. We move on to the other room in the house, the last one, and it's a different color. This used to be purple, and now it's a really light shade of gray. Still looks purple though. Although I do like the white doors. The only thing I don't like about this room is right back here. It's gray. It would have been better white. It really would have been. But we'll have to live with it. Just imagine a white door. Give it just a little more character. Door was painted, the little bathroom. Oh, there's a light out. Oh well. Still green, like the other one. Same shade and everything. May need to buy new ones. Maybe. In the future. Don't hit, don't hit, don't hit, don't hit. Oh, okay. Yep. They did the interior too. The inside. Yeah, this looks pretty damn close. Probably like 2 millimeters off. About 2 or 3 millimeters. Oh, I did not see this. That used to be brown and had wallpaper. I don't know why it had wallpaper, but it did. Just how we got the house. Ooh, that did not sound good. Again, it was brown with wallpaper. Actually, that one was too. This was done over maybe 2006. The countertop. I just hate that freaking noise. God damn it. This is what it used to look like. Just a big old mess. I don't know why that one was up. We upgraded that one, but not this one. Anyways, that's the house. Just imagine this right here. I'm gonna move the white car further forward, and the red car is gonna be right there, where it usually is, and why it got caught in the fire. Yeah. It's gonna be the best view in the house. Look at that driveway. Too bad it's stuck in there, along with the cat and the dog. It's about 49 degrees in the morning, sometimes 55, somewhere between there, but yeah, just seeing it right there. Both of them side by side. Can't wait for that. And we get to finally clean up this mess back here. It rained once. No, it rained twice this year. Twice? I don't even remember anymore. It's California, it never rains. That table was in the kitchen, dining room, I don't know. It's right in front of the window. Fine to clean up this mess, the fridge. I'm sorry, microwave. What the hell's going on with me? Well, that's it.